Hi everyone. Now let's look at how a binary tree can be represented using an array. We usually think of trees as a set of connected nodes, but in this method, we are storing it in linearly using an array, just like how we store the numbers or elements in the list. Here we can see how it works. We start by placing the root node at the index 0 of the array. From there, for any node at the position I, the left child goes to the position 2i plus 1 and the right child goes to the position 2i plus 2. So it is a simple pattern based on the parent's position. Let's talk about this binary tree and how we can fit into a simple array. So at the top we have a regular binary tree, starts with j at the top, that's our root node. Then j has two children, h on the left and I on the right, and it keeps going like h has d and g, I has f and a, and so on. Now, here's the interesting part. Instead of storing all this using a links or the pointers, we can actually just using an array. The idea is simple. The root goes at the index 0. Then, for any node at the index I, its left child goes at 2i plus 1. And its right child goes at 2i plus 2. So for the example, j is at 0 and its left child h is at 1 and the right child I is at the position 2. Similarly, the h is at the position 1, so d and g go at the position 3 and 4, and we keep going like that. Even the leaf nodes like B, C, E get their position in this way. It is a super easy and clean way to store a tree, especially if it's full or almost full. This trick is also used a lot in heap and other tree based structure. That's how we can represent a binary tree using an array, simple, clean, and no pointers needed. I hope this made it easy to understand how the tree structure will work. Thank you for listening.